Knock, knock, who's there? Autism. Burn, burn, burn.
I did a thing. I bought a truck. A big truck, a tall truck. And I'm going to put an aux cord in it. It's got the full 4 doors. So, you know what that means, buddies? For the dumb and retarded, here's a kindergarten explanation. To start, remove all knobs and screws so you can pop out the faceplates covering your radio. After this, we'll be removing the ashtray. Make sure you put aside all cords and remember where they go because I'm not going to show you where to put them. Keep removing bullshit so you can access your radio. Once we've busted the vault open, rip out your OG Tacoma radio. There's a white hole on the back. This is not a racially charged statement. That is your CD changer port. Plug your new aux adapter into that. Here you can see Captain Shart shoving the cords through so we can properly fit everything back together. Jam your radio back in after that and screw it all back down. Put your wires where they go, yada yada yada. I ain't gonna show you that shit. Figure it out yourself. And for my specific Tacoma and phone, you will want an aux to lightning jack adapter. It may be different for yours. I don't fucking know. Here's him fiddling with the goddamn fucking cigarette lighter thing. And you're done. And don't forget to clean your parts when you're done fiddling with them. Hide your Mexican boyfriends because I have a taco.
Where the hoes at?